Welcome to another expert help guide from Mantech Machinery. In today's video, we're diving into 9 practical maintenance tips that'll keep your CNC router running reliably. From tool care to airflow systems, these small checks make a big difference in keeping your machine working as hard as you do. Your cutters shape the material. Your collets keep them locked in place. It's simple. No sharp cutter or tight grip means poor results. Inspect both for chips, dull edges, or signs of wear. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean them, and if anything looks questionable, replace it. If you're using an automatic tool changer, this one's key. Tool holders and cones can get dirty or scratched over time, leading to poor alignment or tool seating. Look for surface rust, build-up, or scratches. Wipe them with a clean, lint-free cloth and check regularly, especially in high-use environments. The sacrificial board is your backup. It supports the material and protects the machine bed underneath. But if it's warped or grooved, your vacuum system might struggle, causing the material to shift mid-cut. Visually, inspect the surface for deep grooves or uneven surfaces. If it's uneven, replace it. The dust hood wraps around the spindle, guiding debris into your extractor. Check that the bristles are straight, evenly worn, and securely fixed. Your vacuum pump does the heavy lifting when it comes to holding material in place. Listen for anything unusual. Check that all hoses are tight and inspect filters for dust or blockage. If airflow feels weak, clean or replace the filters and test again. Poor airflow from a clogged or full dust collector can bring your job to a halt. Empty collection bags before they hit 75% full. Disconnect the hoses and check for any blockages. Some CNC routers rely on compressed air for tool change and positioning. If that's you, look for loose connections and moisture in the lines. Drain your compressor regularly and listen out for any strange noise from the system. Your gantry glides across the X, Y, and Z axes using linear rails, and debris is their worst enemy. After a long cutting session, wipe them down with a soft cloth. Avoid solvents, just remove the dust and you're good to go. Your CNC's oil tank needs inspecting weekly. When topping up, make sure to use the correct grade lubricant. You may also have an auto lube system. If so, check that it's cycling as it should. Also, check oil lines for leaks and confirm that the auto lube system is cycling as it should. It's easy to overlook, but vital for smooth motion and long-term health. That's it. 9 steps, 1 solid routine. At Mantech, our CNC routers are designed with operators in mind, making cleaning, servicing, and everyday use as straightforward as possible. Stick to this maintenance routine, and your machine will reward you with quality results, job after job.